Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the core ingredients. Clean and pat the fish dry so it browns evenly. Once done, season lightly. Heavy salt draws moisture. While the pan heats to roughly 180 degrees, chop onion, garlic, bell pepper, and carrot into uniform pieces so they cook at the same rate. Now add oil. When it shimmers, sear the fish skin side down briefly to lock juices, then remove. This creates flavor and prevents drying. With the fish resting, you continue by softening aromatics. Sweat onion and garlic until translucent so they release sweetness. Once fragrant, add the chopped vegetables and cook until just tender. This preserves texture. Then deglaze the pan with stock or wine to lift brown bits. Those are concentrated flavor. Mix in soy and vinegar for umami and brightness. If you want body, stir a cornstarch slurry and add slowly while simmering to reach the right. To finish, you gently nestle the seared fish back into the simmering vegetable sauce so it finishes cooking and absorbs flavor. Simmer 2-3 minutes depending on thickness. Make sure to taste and adjust. Add a splash of acid or pinch of sugar to balance and salt at the end to avoid oversalting. If sauce is too thin, simmer uncovered. If too thick, thin with stock. Troubleshooting tip: if fish flakes apart, reduce stirring and cook just to opaque.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.